Can you help us tell the Victorian government how to make it easier for people who've been sexually assaulted to get justice? Sexual assault means when someone gets another person to do something sexually that they didn't want to do. If this has happened to you or someone you know, we want to know what would have made it easier for you to deal with it. We want to hear from you if you're an adult, even if it happened to you years ago or when you were a child. Did you get the support you needed? Did you get justice? Many people do not tell anyone what happened to them when they've experienced sexual assault, and they don't report it to the police. They might not know it's wrong. They might not know who to tell or what will happen if they do. What do you think would make it easier to get the right support? If you spoke to the police, did they understand you? Did they help you? Did you get the support you needed? What would have made it easier? Some cases go to court. Some people find the court system confusing and stressful. You might be interested in other options, like being able to talk to the person who hurt you about what they did and have them take responsibility. What else would make things easier or better? The state government has asked the Victorian Law Reform Commission to recommend ways to make it easier for people who have been sexually assaulted to get justice. We need your help. So we're asking what you think. You can tell us your views online. You don't have to give us your name or personal details, and we don't need to hear about what anyone did to you. We just want to know your point of view about telling someone, getting support, getting justice. Please go to the Engage Victoria website and tell us what you think. Help us make things better for everyone who is sexually assaulted.